This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, I have to note that this method will only work if you know the password to the child's Google account. So with this out of the way, let's launch settings. In here, I'll quickly show you that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can see, they are. So at the Google category of settings, tap at the Manage Your Google Account option. In here, go for the data and privacy, I would assume. Yep, here it is. At the bottom of the page, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid, we will recover your Google account right after parental controls will be deactivated. So now I'll just enter the password to the child's Google account. Then click at the Next button. In here, all that it's left to do is to check those two boxes and tap at the Delete Account option. From here, you can get two types of messages, either the one that I've gotten that says something went wrong, or you can also get the Google message that will explicitly tell you that the account deletion was a success. Both are fine, and at this point, let me show you that my parental controls are or were disabled. As you can see, they definitely were, so no parental controls. And now all that it's left to do is to sign into the recently deleted Google account and thus recover it. So in here at the Play Store, I'm going to enter my email address. And you should get this message saying that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So that's a sign that we are on the right track. Then enter the password once again. And usually you'll get the something went wrong message, I would assume 9 times out of 10. It's not a big deal at all. Just re-enter your account. So re-type in the credentials for it. And once rewriting the email address and password, you'll be able to proceed with the Google login as you would normally do. And well, that's about it. The Google account was restored, the parental controls were disabled, so great success. Alrighty, thanks for watching guys, thanks for your attention, and I'll see you around. Bye bye!